What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So I bought the Columbia Bahama Shirt. Before I bought it double XL. My weight is around 120 kg. My height is 181 centimeter. I mean cm. I'm quite fat, but the double XL is too large for me. And I was going to buy the XL. I say why not just buy the large? I know large can never fit me, but I'm gonna try out today. Good thing is going to be small. This is a Columbia Bahama Shirt, the PFG, because I bought it for my adventure upcoming trip to safari. Okay. The quality is fine. It's a little bit soft quality. It's not your regular, I mean, Columbia quality hiking t-shirt. It feel like a little bit cotton or something like that. The matter of the truth is, now I'm just going to put on myself and see do it fit me or not. The moment of truth is here. The moment of truth is literally here. Okay. And I hope so it's going to fit me because it's L. I don't know why I bought L, because I was very angry with the double XL. I should have bought. It seems quite fine, I mean. Okay, my audio recording I forgot to turn on this. I'm sorry, so there won't be sound coming from my audio recorder. I'm so stupid. So I mean this is okay. The goodness of heaven. I love Columbia. I love you. I mean they make the best shirt. If you are a photographer, wild photographer, you wanna become a travel blogger, vlogger, you should wear this shirt. I mean, they were the most comfortable due to the pocket. But L is large. I think I should order medium next time. I mean, see, this is L. You see my tummy? I'm a fat guy. Can you see? I'm a fat guy. But it's too open, you see? I mean, I can fit so much stuff in me. I mean, yeah, even I can fit my backpack in me, so large. You don't trust me? You see? I can easily fit. I mean, this is L. USA L size still so big for me. Normally I wear the polo shirt, what is called Tommy, whatever I forgot. I wear the XL size because L size is too small for me. But this Columbia L is too large for me even. The quality seems quite fine. It costs you around 40 bucks. Totally worth it. I mean, if I'm traveling and vlogging, I can just put my recorders on layer like this.